Welcome to BYOB Network. We are part of the trending $375 billion digital advertising industry and one of the fastest growing in relationship marketing. BYOB Network supplies innovative products and services to our members. There are several terms and conditions that the members strictly need to follow. If you are new to BYOB, then this video is for you. All content included as part of the service, such as text, graphics, logos, images, as well as the compilation thereof, and any software used on the site, is the property of BYOB or its suppliers and protected by copyright and other laws that protect intellectual property and proprietary rights. You will not modify, publish, transmit, reverse engineer, participate in the transfer or sale, create derivative works, or in any way exploit any of the content, in whole or in part, found on the site. You will use protected content solely for your personal use and will make no other use of the content without the express written permission of BYOB and the copyright owner. We do not grant you any licenses, express or implied, to the intellectual property of BYOB or our licenses except as expressly authorized by these terms. If you agree with these terms, then you are welcome to join our community. Enjoy all our exciting and beneficial products and services through BYOB Network.